Upon analysing Sophie's hair, we can clearly see that she has very thick, very coarse and slightly dry hair. We're going to treat Sophie's hair by using the Seymour line of products, which is specifically for dry and damaged hair. We're going to use the SEAWET Shampoo to restore moisture, enhance any weaker and damaged hair, giving it softness and making it appear smoother and frizz-free. So we're now going to apply the SEAWET shampoo. We're going to use 2 pumps of the SEAWET shampoo. How does it feel?
Yeah, incredible, it looks amazing.
It's got the most incredible shine to it, the softness. It's really smoothed out all those kind of flyaway hairs, giving it that real nice glossy feeling, but also the condition just feels incredible.